Okay, so trying to get to work this morning. Looks like it's about 37 degrees in my 2015 Ford C-MAX, which I just got back from the shop for having a problem very similar to what I'm having this morning. So let's see if it's going to do it again. I'm actually halfway up my driveway. Car's in park. Turn the power on. Okay. I get the right check engine light. Alright. Put the car in drive. And doing good. Doing good. So far so good. Oh, and there it goes. It's conking out. And there it goes. I got no propulsion. And you can hear the little engine going, and in drive. Now I'm going backwards because I have nothing. I've lost all my motor. So let's try reverse. It says I'm okay there. I'm going in reverse, but only because I'm on a hill. But I actually have no power whatsoever. Again. So I'm fairly certain my local Ford guys probably don't know how to fix this problem. The question is, do I switch over to my Ford truck, or do I switch to the Chevy Volt, which has been reliable for at least the last 5 years? So, alright, well, let's give it one more shot here. Maybe it'll let me turn around. So, back to park. And you can hear it. Doesn't sound good. Like the computer guys tell you, shut it off. I don't know if there's like a mass reboot thing by holding the button down, or I don't think so. It says, thanks for driving a hybrid. Well, thank you, Ford, for developing such a wonderful car. Alright, it says I'm ready to drive. Still got my check engine. How many miles? I only got 4,100. The dealership put like 70 miles on this thing the last time I had it in there for the exact same problem. Put it in drive. Okay. Oh, I heard a little engine. Alright, I have some propulsion. I'm going up the hill. Oh, conking out on me. I think I should just take it home. Alright, so back to the Ford dealership you shall go.